how to add a trusted Wi-Fi network to auto protect Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on security and privacy. From here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on more security settings. Next, tap on Wi-Fi, secure Wi-Fi. And then we go down and tap on auto protect Wi-Fi. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then we go down to the last option and tap on trusted Wi-Fi networks. From here, tap on add current network. This will add your current connected network to the list as a trusted Wi-Fi network. If you need to delete it, you can tap on the delete button, and that's it. So after that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's how you can add the trusted Wi-Fi networks to auto protect Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.